Now, if you run a local service business and you want more clients without spending a cent on ads, this is for you. Now, I'm going to show you how I book over 30 calls a month just from my website. No gimmicks, it's all organic, and the secret is SEO and blog posts. Now, firstly, why are blog posts essential for SEO? It's really simple. Every blog post is a new chance for it to show up on Google. If you're a landscaper and you write a blog post like best low maintenance plants, now you can rank when someone types that into Google. Secondly, the blog keeps your main website super fresh, and Google loves active sites. Third, great blog posts get shared and linked to. More backlinks equals more trust in Google's eyes, which therefore equals higher rankings for your website. You can also guide readers to take action. So say your blog post explains garden layout tips. You can link that to your quote page inside of your website. And now you're turning those readers into leads. So in essence, blog posts are a smart SEO tool to boost visibility, authority, and conversions. Okay, so now let's dive into how you can do this right now for free, so you can start booking calls for your local service business. All right, guys, so the first thing you're gonna do is go into ads.google.com, okay? And now when you're gonna create an account, you're gonna sign in and you're gonna have to put your credit card down or your any card, but we're not going to do anything where it's gonna take any money out. The card is actually to run Google ads, and we are not going to do that, okay? So just put it in, but you're not going to get charged or anything, all right? So now you want to press tools, okay? And we're going to go into keyword planner here, and you're going to press discover new keywords. And then you're going to put in something that's relating to your local business. So something that's on with search. So just say we're landscaping Sydney, client, might search up landscaping Sydney, and enter that through. And we'll just press get results, and now it's going to generate all these keywords that we have, okay? And what we're going to do is I'll quickly explain what these mean. So these are all the keywords that are relating to landscaping Sydney that other people might search, and the average monthly searches. So you see landscape designs is 100 to 1,000 monthly searches, retaining walls is 100 to 1,000 again, and so on, so on. So what you're going to do is you're going to press download keywords, and you're going to go into Google Sheets. And then we're going to open up Google Drive, and you should have imported that file, and you're going to take all these keywords and copy it into a new section, which is what we have here, okay? So now that we've copied all the keywords into this new sheet, what we're going to do is we're going to download GPT Workspace, add it as an extension, and we're going to start GPT Workspace by going extensions and start. All right, so now that we've started it, we're going to create our first blog post idea. So let's just create a column called blog post idea, and we're gonna name this blog. All right, guys, so now you're gonna come in here, all right? In B2, we're gonna put this prompt in, okay? And the prompt reads, I own a landscape equals GPT, brackets, I own a landscaping business. I want to create blogs for my website to improve my SEO. If a keyword says near me, ignore it and only count the words before as the keyword too. So now we rename the keyword. So for example, if it was lawn care near me, we're now saying ignore near me and just to have the keyword as lawn care. All right, and then we say generate one compelling blog post title based on each of the following keyword 2, which is now what we are saying our new keyword is, all right? And then we say put that into A2. All right, so then we're going to start that in. And now it's created our first blog post idea title based on the keyword landscaping. So it's transform your outdoor space, expert landscaping tips for homeowners. Now, if you want to apply this to all the keywords, and we'll go with the first 20 keywords for now. Just drag it down, and it's going to start loading, and it's going to start generating new blog post ideas based on the associated keywords. So you can see all of them here, all right? Now, say we want to write our blog. All right, we're now going to put a new prompt, GPT prompt, under blog in column C, all right? I'm going to put that under C2, and the prompt reads, I own a landscaping business called Sydney Landscapers. So insert your company name in that part. Write 1,000-word blog post about blog post ideas in parentheses. So that way it knows what to reference back. And at the end, include a call to action to book a call. And then in brackets, put in your phone number. So I've just put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. to have your landscaping done with us in Sydney. So now this is the call to action for your blogs to get those readers turned into leads so you can book those calls in and increase your revenue, okay? So now we're gonna press enter. And now based on the blog post idea, transform your outdoor space, it has created a blog that you can instantly copy paste and put into your website to boost your SEO and visibility. And now if you want to apply that to all of our other blog post titles, it's as simple as drag down and it will automatically generate, and it's as easy as that, guys. All right, so now it's just generated all blogs for all the other blog post ideas that we created, as you can see. And man, look how automated you can make the whole process. So you can generate blogs. You can create you can easily post with just 30 minutes of work per month. You can have a blog posted onto your website and automated every single month. And this will guarantee your SEO will skyrocket through the roof and you'll start booking those calls on autopilot. Now, if you want to clone this sheet and start building your own SEO engine through blog posts so you can book calls, hit the link in the description. All you need is GPT Workspace and a few keywords. Now, make sure to subscribe for more AI-powered business productivity hacks in the future.